Flying is fun. I wish I could fly. Come on, my plane, go higher. When I grow up, I will specialize in making airplanes so that I would have my own plane.
It is the first day of holiday. What are we going to do?
Let us check the library. Perhaps Dad has brought us new stories for this summer.
What is this?
It looks like a gift. What is going on?
Do not be puzzled. This is a gift your uncle sent you from abroad. Open it and find out for yourselves. I'm going to work now.
Wow! It is a robot!
It is very beautiful.
What is this screen? I will press the power button.
My name is Info. I love to benefit people around me with useful information.
Welcome to our home, Mr. Info.
Welcome to our home, Mr. Info. Welcome to our home, Mr. Info.
I have many icons so that you can benefit from me. Come on, make use of your time in doing what is useful.
Let's press the information icon. What do you think? Yes! Let's do that! Bismillah.
Today's piece of information is about the great Muslim figures. Our Muslim scientist today is Abbas Ibn Firnas, who was the first man in history to make an attempt to fly. Abbas Ibn Firnas made 2 wings and flew up high in the sky with them, but he fell down and was injured. Scientists after him continued to pursue the dream of flying until airplanes were invented. Abbas Ibn Firnas was also a prominent scientist in mathematics, astronomy, medicine, chemistry, and physics. In addition, he was an inventor, philosopher, and a poet. Arabs and Muslims consider him the first aviator in history.
Wow! The first pilot in history? I wish I had lived in his time. We would have worked together on building my unique airplane.
I will study hard in order to become a scientist.
Our scientists have worked very hard to build a great Islamic civilization. Thank you, Info. We have really benefited of this information.
I am happy that you have benefited. I will give you more information later.
I will put it here in front of me so that it will motivate me to work harder. I am eager to get to know the story of another Muslim scientist tomorrow. I will go to bed now and expect to dream about flying in my plane with Abbas Ibn Firnas.
Amazing!